Hello everyone. We got two packages here from Amazon that I purchased. We got charging cables. This is Type C, and here this is the fast charge 5-pack charging cables. We have different sizes, and this is right here, right off the bat. Lifetime warranty. This is rare. You don't see that on products nowadays, especially when you're only paying $16.99. I believe I paid for this one. And something else in here. Oh, there we go. So those are made by Besiva. This is your Besiva warranty card, and refund and replacement. You just have to subscribe within 24 hours for your full satisfaction. So Besiva is basically backing up their product 100%, and I've tried those before. They're really good. They're well made, and they charge pretty fast. So here, I believe we got, it doesn't say here, but I believe we got the three foot cables. This is a lot more than 3 foot. I believe this is a 6 foot cable. And this one, yeah, this is about 3 foot. And yeah, these two are the same length, and these two are the same length as well. And this one is the super long one. And yeah, it feels really good. It's very rigid, and really good product. And they're really fast charging, and they last forever. I mean, they're not life warranty for nothing. These guys know what they're doing. And also here we got the fast charging cables for iPhone or Apple product. Same deal. Besiva warranty card, and yeah, it's in English and Chinese. Alright, and here we got the 4-pack. Oh, those are nice. Those are like gold color. And here we got the long cables. I think it's 6 foot cable. And we got another long cable. These two are the same. Oh, they're all long cables. Wow. Really? For the price I paid, that's pretty good. Man, these guys are amazing. And yeah, this is the second time I buy those cables. Not because they're not good or anything. I mean, the old ones are still working perfectly. It's just because I got one in my car, one in my wife's car, and one in the third car. And I got one in the bedroom, one in the living room, one in the kitchen, and the kids got one. So basically we ran out of cables, so I had to order some more. And yeah, they're really, really, really great. I mean, they're probably better than the originals. I mean, everybody's tired of buying cables every time, everywhere they go, pharmacy, whatever. They pick up a cable for 10-15 bucks and they last 2-3 days. And you gotta go out and buy another one. It's a never-ending story. But trust me, with these cables, you're good for a long time. And if they don't work, you got a lifetime warranty. You can always bring them back. Send them back and get a new one, basically. That easy. So yeah, I recommend it. They're really good. Just they're heavy. They're not, those cables are not a joke. And that's it. Thank you very much.
Testing.
And I'll see you next time.